This is my Google Chromecast, which I no longer use the wall AC adapter. I usually just plug it into a USB connection. Right now it's connected to my wireless router over here. If you're fortunate, you can connect it to your TV. A lot of newer TVs over here have a connection for USB. Otherwise, I'm going to be doing a test with my Blu Ray player to see if it works. So, give me a second to try this out. So, I'll be trying this old Sharp Blu Ray player. Let me move all the way to the back to show you in the back. Scroll down. Let me pause this and I get a better. So again, here's my Chromecast. Here's the USB connection, and I am plugging it to the USB connector. And you can see that it's powered up now. It's just, I think it's trying to find a connection. And I'm gonna plug this to my TV. One of the bad things about doing it through your Blu Ray player is I think you have to keep your Blu Ray player on. That's why if you're using your TV's USB connection, it's a little more better because it only turns on when, as you can see, Chromecast is working through my Blu Ray player. So I'm going to try. Make sure once I turn this off, once I turn this baby off, it'll turn off the Chromecast. And it turns off the Chromecast. Okay, I'm going to go give this a try on my TV upstairs. I think it has USB connection. Here's my Google Chromecast. Let me fix the zoom. And this is my AC wall adapter that I don't use anymore. And I'm going to be running a test with this old Apex 46-inch TV. So if you have a USB connection in your TV, then you can just attach your Chromecast. One of the biggest complaints about the Chromecast is you have to attach it to this AC adapter, but if you have any USB connections lying close by, i.e. your TV, and then, so I just want to show you over here is my, let me fix the zoom, my TV includes a USB connection. It's called Service, and I've connected over here with my Google Chromecast, and so it's what's going to be part of my Chromecast. But currently you can see there's no light turned on, so give me a second while I turn on with my remote control. So here's my remote. Turn on the power. As soon as I turn on the TV remote, you can see my Chromecast. It's turning on.
This is an incredible day for them, and I'm excited about what you're writing.
So I'm going to
when people read the book, they're going to come to
attach this to one of the HDMI hookups.
in the eternal kingdom purpose of God.
You know, I believe the purpose of Lioness Rising was to wake up the women to what was going on in the world, and this is to arm them for battle.
That's great.
So here's my Chromecast with my TV on now. It's hooked up to HDMI 3. So it's powered by the TV's USB. And here it is, ready to cast. So this is just another example where you don't have to attach the included USB wall adapter.